Hey guys, today I'm going to play Lucky Block Battlegrounds. So now, the game is just loading. Okay, my skin's loading. Hey, where's, oh there they are. My legs in my hand. One, boop. Look at that, what the hell? Oh, that looks cool. So do I go to the blue Lucky Blocks? Oh yeah, I just bought the blue Lucky Blocks ones. Pizza! Pizza sword! That looks good. I'll use this. Let's battle these. Lucky Block Battleground. You want a little hit? This will be the smallest. If you kill me, it will be so bad. Come, leave a like and subscribe. This person's rolling in. I get this guy. Does that guy have to do that? I'm gonna jump all the way down. Let's collect some more Lucky Blocks. Now that's bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna walk to some people. I just never knew what this. Okay, can you see that guy? He's got a bow and arrow. Or eight. First one, check what this thing does. Like the earth. Oh no! Oh! How did... No! Why did I die? That was super good.